Want Hostinger Premium for just $1.99 a month? Here's how in 60 seconds. This deal lives behind a secret discount link that applies the coupon automatically. Step 1. Click the secret discount link in the description or pinned comment. Step 2. Choose the premium plan from the plan options shown on Hostinger. Step 3. Pick the longest billing term offered to reveal the $1.99 monthly price. You should see the price drop to $1.99 per month before checkout. Step 4. Enter your billing details and complete the secure checkout process. Step 5. Create your Hostinger account and confirm your email address quickly. Step 6. Use the one-click setup to install WordPress or try Hostinger's site builder. Quick tip: connect a domain now or transfer one later from your domain dashboard. Remember, this is an introductory price for the first term. Check renewal rates before buying. Ready to save? Click the secret discount link now to grab Hostinger Premium at $1.99 per month.